What's up, YouTubers, I guess? That would be more appropriate than addressing YouTube. How many of you guys know what this is here? That's right. It's a Harbor Freight coupon. This is going to be my introductory video to my new channel. I'm going to be documenting basically all my experiences at Harbor Freight. As you notice, the name of my channel here is Made in Taiwan now. I did change it. You can see my old Power Stroke videos. I still have my truck. Just recently I had to replace my head gaskets, with the help of a bunch of tools from Harbor Freight. So as you can tell from my channel name, Made in Taiwan, I'm going to be purchasing as many tools as I can from Harbor Freight that's made in Taiwan, and I'll be reviewing them for you. And eventually, if I run out of tools at Harbor Freight, I'll branch out. We do have a Home Depot here in town, and True Value, Walmart. But I'm going to start here with Harbor Freight and see. Here we go. Right there. Item number. Wow, there's like 4 numbers there. So if you look at this item, there's 4 item numbers for this 301 piece Master Mechanic Toolkit for $199. And why are there 4 different item numbers? Well, I believe, you can correct me in the comments down below if I'm wrong, but these tools are made from different factories, and there might be a couple in Taiwan and there might be a couple in China. So on the package, as you'll see later, it tells you the country of origin on the packaging. So for me and for this channel, I'm going to be buying the item that's made in Taiwan and reviewing it for you. Alright, here it is, y'all. Pittsburgh 301 piece Mechanics Toolkit, item number 63457. My first purchase on at Harbor Freight here in town. It's really nice not having to drive out of town to go to Harbor Freight. We do have a Home Depot here, but the price comparison just it's no match with Harbor Freight. I know there are some issues with like quality and stuff like that. I'm going to limit myself to purchasing tools from Taiwan. And why? Because of this. It is a limited lifetime warranty. Well, I don't know if it's limited. It probably is. It's a lifetime warranty. So you got a problem, you take it back to the store, get it replaced. I'm sure they're happy to replace it for you to keep you as a happy customer rather than a disgruntled customer, right? Let's have a look at the backside here. And on the backside here, this is my main motif here. Made in Taiwan, Harbor Freight. Yeah, this is one of the items that has multiple item numbers, so this is all they had in our store, and luckily it's one that's made in Taiwan. So here's a list of all the items inside. Apologize about my shaky hands. Here we go. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of tools here. It's a good beginner's kit, and I believe it's rated in some 4-wheel magazines as like one of the best affordable kits to get to carry along in your rides. So it's a little bit heavy, that's for sure. It's around, I would guess, about 45 pounds for the whole kit, so it's a little heavy, that's for sure. But it's got more than enough tools to get you started there. Let's open this kit up and see what we got in here. Alright. Got your assorted hand tools here, your screwdrivers, your Allen wrenches, Phillips flathead precision screwdrivers, 1 crescent wrench, needle nose, dikes, lineman's pliers. Alright, that's cool. Let's see what we got under here. Lots of shiny chrome. Got some wrenches, more Allen wrenches there. Let me see what, let me look at this. Yep. Alright, so these are longer handle. These guys are shorter handle. That's nice. There's 2 sets there. I'm assuming metric and standard. Got some nice hex heads, Torx, screwdriver bits. Not too bad. These are quarter inch and 3/8 drive stuff. I think some of these guys here are 1/2 inch. Nice and shiny. Yeah, definitely will work well on my Power Stroke, that's for sure. Some adapters. Let's take a look at this next tray. Alright. That's a little heavy there. Some deep sockets, both standard metric. And the regular sockets down below. See what we got. These are all 6-pointers. Let's check out the got some extensions there. Let's check out these this guy right here. It's probably going to be the one I use the most. Oh, that is smooth. Smooth going. I'm going to guess that's like a 72 tooth ratchet. Real nice. It's very solid. It's a little heavy, but hopefully that means it's strong. Little button release. Not too shabby. Let's check out the quarter inch. Yeah, this is hard one-handed. I don't know how y'all do it. Very smooth, very smooth. Quite a bit different from the old stuff they used to carry. Oh, upside down. CR7. Pretty awesome. Yeah, there's some adapters here, 3/8 to 1/4 inch, and I'm going to assume 1/2 inch to 3/8. Little breaker bar, some adapter here. Never really had to use one of these guys. I definitely would probably just use it as a straight up extension, but that looks interesting and it might come in handy. I'll have to give it a try, or if you guys want to reply to this video and show me what's up with this tool and how to use it, that'd be awesome. Be happy to give you guys a plug. Alright, let's see what else. This tray's a little bit heavier. Hold on. Alright, bottom tray here. We got our 1/2 inch right there. Button release. Oh wow. That is nice. I think this kit's gonna last me for a long time. Got an extension over here. More extensions. Spark plug socket. Here are all the 1/2 inch bits. Where is it? Nice deep sockets. Man, that is some nice quality right there. Look at the engraving. It's nice and clear. CRV. Chrome vanadium. Alright. I just want to point something out here. Out here working on my truck here. But I just want to point out the just how smooth that turns. There's a lot of teeth in this ratchet. Oh, trust me, I know cheap quality tools because that's pretty much all I buy. And this, for being as cheap as it is, man, that is smooth. Very smooth. Anyway, I'd love to show you stuff on the truck, but man, it's just too damn hot.